What a beautiful day it is here in Chicago. And I'm on the Segway Muxi. This little nugget, it is a class 2 e-bike, and it only stays in class 2. You can't put it into class 3. But I wanted to make this video and talk about Segway and how that whole process works when it comes to getting a bike, and why I feel like it is sometimes more superior than other means of getting one. And here's what I mean by that. If you purchase a Segway online, you have to pick it up from a Segway dealer. And the reason being is because they want to ensure that their product is top-notch with no issues. And there is one place that I always go to for my Segway products here in Chicago, and it's called Electric Movement. Now today, we're gonna head out there. We're gonna meet up with Lauren, who's the manager, and I have some questions for her to understand why Segway sells so well in their store, because they're one of the top sales for Segway here in Chicago, and what they like about the Segway products. Now, I know what I like. I like how the quality of them. You know, I haven't picked up a single Segway bike from a dealer that I've had an issue with, like that I've had to work on. It's so nice not having to put a bike together where you can just go there and pick it up. It's pretty worry-free. They show you everything you need to know on how to operate it, and they ensure that you are happy with your product. And if you do have any issues, they will work on it for you. The first time I saw the Muxi, I was like, I need that little nugget in my life. Like, bring this thing to me. I want to review it. Now, all the Segway products that I have reviewed have all come from Electric Movement. So even for us reviewers, they're like, no, this bike is going to be checked and inspected before you get a chance to review it, because they want to ensure that we are reviewing the bike in the best possible condition that it should be. The same condition that you guys as a customer would receive as well. You know what? This is actually my first ride on this bike. I've had it for a little bit, and all I do is I just stare at it. But my buddy Matt from Electric All Wheel, he rode the bike when I reviewed the Mayon, and he had a lot of fun on it. Now, if you're not aware, Chicago is a very big city. We have 2.8 million people inside the city, and then like another million or so in the Chicagoland area or something like that. Here, I mean, basically, it's a lot of people. To know that Electric Movement is one of their top sales teams here in the heart of Chicago makes it very convenient for us who live in the city to get our stuff worked on or to be able to pick up the bike. When I got my Segway Cyber, I remember looking at it online, and I was going to order it. Then it said that you have to have it delivered at a store, and then they put it together. And the only time I've ever had that done before is with the giant e-bikes when I bought my first mountain bike. So I was like, okay. And then I checked where, you know, the closest place would be, and it said Electric Movement. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that's like 5 miles from me here in the city. I gave them a call. I asked them if they had any in stock, and they said they did, and I didn't even order it online. I just went there and picked it up. And when I got there, they're like, oh, here, would you like to do a test ride of the Cyber? That's new to me, right, where they just let you test ride it. And the funny thing is, I said, no, just sell me the bike. Now, when I got it, it only had a single battery, because the dual battery versions were not available. I mean, I basically bought this thing right when it came out, and because, you know, I just loved how it looked. So with that, I said I wanted the dual battery version, and they said, you know what, let's see if we can get one on order for you. They ordered the second battery and the kit, and then had it installed there. So that was another nice thing, because I watched some other reviews on how they installed the battery, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I do not want to deal with that. Like, that's not something, I don't know if you notice this, but I don't do a lot of the mechanic stuff. I'm the kind of guy that just likes to go out and ride them, and I'll pay mechanics to fix my stuff. I mean, I know how to know basic things, but I did not want to have to install a second battery on the Cyber. I brought that to them, and I believe I got it back either the same day or the next day. Insane. I was like, oh my gosh, that was a very quick turnaround. So am I a fan of electric movement? Yeah, I am. Will I continue to be a fan of electric movement? Yeah. I think the shop does a great job. For it to be such a tiny shop, because it's not big at all, there's not much room when it comes to Chicago on places to put retail stuff. And they fit all these bikes inside this little shop. It looks chaotic, but they have the quality that you need that would give you confidence to either buy a bike from them or to have them work on your stuff. This is a single drive bike, so no gears to worry about. Everything is simple. It's also only class 2, so you cannot unlock it to class 3. There's no suspension on it. Everything is stiff, but the tires feel great. And I am a huge fan of how this bike looks. Something about bikes with 20-inch tires, I'm a fan of. Just moving around with it. Love the tires on this thing. Nice tread. I'm a fan of the tan walls or gum walls or whatever you guys want to call it. But it's nice. Got the matching seat. All of that. I mean, since it is a class 2 e-bike, they're like, well, there's no need to have you go through a bunch of gears just to get to 20 miles an hour when we can just do it with one and make it simple. Your thumb throttle is going to be on your right-hand side. I know some people like either right or left, but this one is on your right, which is normally where the shifter would be, so it just kind of works out naturally. The cockpit is very clean. Ooh, let's see if we can fit. Buses never pay attention to the bike lane. They'll pull right into it, not give you any room to get by. Buses in this town are scary. I'm looking down at the display. I'm dealing with bright sunlight, but I can see everything down below. So that's good. I feel like this is a carefree bike. And what I mean by that is, well, number one, you don't have to put it together. You know that it's assembled correctly and safety checked. You don't have to shift gears. You just basically get on this bike and go. It has 6 levels of pedal assist. Man, this thing rides easy. I also see a ton of Segway scooters in this town. Is it weird that whenever you're riding certain brands, you just feel like people look over at it and they're like, ooh, that's a such and such. That's how I feel when it comes to the Segway bikes. They're like, ooh, he's on a Segway. Is that a thing? I don't know if that's a thing. Feels like it's a thing. For this thing to have 0 suspension on it, I feel like these tires are doing really well. And maybe, I don't know if there's a spring on this seat or what. This is not bad at all. Now, Electric Movement is based here in the heart of Chicago. Pulling up to it right now. And let's pop in and talk to Lauren. Look at that. Segway sold here. This is Lauren. You are the store manager.
I am.
And you've been here for how long?
2 years.
Oh my.
I know, it's crazy.
Well, maybe you can tell us a little bit more about like this place, Electric Movement, and everything you guys have to offer.
Yeah, so we have been open for 3 years now, and we specialize in sales, service, and rentals. We like to provide that in-person tangible experience for people shopping for e-bikes. You know, most of the industry is, online. So we really like to provide people that opportunity to know what they're purchasing, know how it feels before they take it home. That's really important to us. And then also providing that service on electric bikes and scooters, which is rare to find even in a large city like Chicago. So we just like to really support the micromobility movement in the city and offer, just top of the line products that we trust and also provide top quality service.
How long have you been selling Segway products, and what do you think draws purchasers to these over other bikes?
So we have been selling Segway products for about a year now, and what really sets them apart is just that high quality build. They're really intentional with their design, their accessories, and also just those security features, which are very important to have in an item like an e-bike. And also just the fact that Segway has been around for years. They have only been selling e-bikes and or at least e-bikes for about the past year, but they're a really reputable company with great customer service. We have a great relationship with our representative, really easy for us to get parts in. So people really just trust their reputation, and products that they put out are some of the best on the line we believe. So since we do service all brands of electric bikes and scooters at our shop, we really do know what to look for in terms of quality and just proper components that should be used in these devices. The brands that we carry here, we carry intentionally because we want to make sure our customers are on something that is reliable as they're riding on the busy streets of Chicago. So it's really important for us and also to make sure that those companies have great customer service. People can access the parts from them that are proprietary. It's really important for us to make sure that our customers are on something that is built well.
And when it comes to the Segway products, do you sell all of the Segway products or are you limited?
So a little bit. We do carry all of their e-bikes, but when it comes to scooters, we just carry the GT3 Pro and the ZT3 Pro, subject to change in the future, but that's our current lineup right now. But, you know, we have the Mayan, the Muxi, the Zafari, and the Zyber.
The Muxi was the latest one, and let's talk about that.
For sure. So this is the Segway Muxi, not the muxi, although it is spelled like that. It is the Muxi. So this is a powerhouse of a Class 2 e-bike. You get 80 miles of range with it. It has a 750 watt motor. The Muxi has a payload of 418 pounds. The bike itself weighs 73 pounds. And the rear rack has a weight capacity of 120 pounds. Some accessories that can be added to the Muxi include the front basket here, the automatic dropper seat post, as well as the rear view radar. Some accessories that we have on the way from Segway include the passenger kit, which comes with a seat pad, foot pegs, as well as handlebars. Let's not forget about the mid-frame box, which fits in right here, further maximizes your cargo carrying capacity.
Since I'm here, what are the chances of me purchasing a front rack for this thing and getting it installed?
Oh, let's do it. Yeah, let's get it installed.
Okay. Yes, that was fast.
Very fast. Freaky fast.
Freaky fast. Listen, guys, if you're in the Chicagoland area and you're interested in getting a Segway, whether you purchase it online or want to test ride one here in the store, come visit Electric Movement here in Chicago, and they will definitely hook you up. Lauren, thank you for your time. Appreciate you for letting me just bum rush in here while you guys are super busy.
Hey, anytime.
I'm hoping you guys see why I choose Electric Movement to get my Segway bikes from. I am digging the rack that we just put on the front of this. As soon as they get that mid-frame box thing, I'm going to add that as well. I'm just going to kit this thing out because it is so fun to ride. I'm just moving around. I tell you what, guys, if you are interested in a Segway bike, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. Whether it be a bike, scooter, whatever, you can order it online, have it delivered to them, or you could just go in there and test ride one of the Segways that they have. And if they have it, well, then they'll just sell it to you. So if you like videos like this, well, I'm going to ask that you go ahead and maybe hit the like button, maybe subscribe, hit the bell, something like that. And that way you'll know when new videos come out. If you have not seen my review on the Mayan, well, I'm going to have YouTube pop it up right there and you guys can check that out. But for now, I want to thank you guys for watching. And until I see you again, enjoy the ride.